Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage decor ideas on a budget. Decorating with a vintage aesthetic doesn't have to break the bank. Here are some budget-friendly ideas to bring timeless charm into your space. Thrift and flea market finds. Explore thrift stores, flea markets, and garage sales for unique furniture and decor pieces. Look for vintage mirrors, picture frames, lamps, or old trunks. Hunt for mismatched china or glassware for nostalgic table setting. Dye vintage makeovers. Distressed furniture. Sand and paint furniture with chalk paint or a distressed finish to give it an antique look. Repurpose old items. Turn vintage suitcases into side tables or shelves. Use mason chairs as vases or candle holders. Vintage prints. Find free vintage botanical or art prints online. Print them out and display them in thrifted frames. Add antique touches. Use lace or crochet trellis as table runners or placemats. Incorporate vintage clocks, typewriters, or cameras as decor accents. Upcycle fabrics. Make throw pillows or curtains from vintage fabric such as old floral patterns or repurposed quilts. Reupholster a small piece of furniture with fabric that fits the vintage theme. Creative wall decor. Create a gallery wall using vintage-inspired art, antique mirrors, or old postcards. Hang a vintage-inspired chalkboard or use old window frames as unique wall art. Lighting with character. Use vintage-style light fixtures like candlelights or Edison bulbs. Lighting with character. Use vintage-style light fixtures like candlelights or Edison bulbs. Thanks for watching the video.